Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix notification sounds not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update without wasting any time. Let's start this video. Solution number 1, check your mute and silent mode. You can see appears on screen and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying this solution number 2. Solution number 2 is check volume setting. Firstly, tap on setting app, tap on sounds. You can see appears on screen volume setting to confirm this action and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying this solution number 3. Solution number 3 is restart your iPhone. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen many features. Scroll up, tap on general, scroll up, tap on shutdown. You can see appears on screen. Drag the slide to power off, slide to turn off your device, wait for a few seconds and turn your device back on and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying this solution number 4. Solution number 4 is check do not disturb mode. Open the control center, tap on focus. You can see appears on screen do not disturb on and 10 to 20 seconds back toggle off and problem is fixed. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying this solution number 5. Solution number 5 is update your apps. Firstly, tap on App Store, tap on profile icon and on the top right corner check the app updates. If updates are available, update your apps and problem is fixed. If solution number 5 is not working, now applying this solution number 6. Solution number 6 is update iOS version. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on general, tap on software update. If update is pending, download and install the update and problem is fixed. If solution number 6 is not working, now applying this solution number 7. Solution number 7 is reset all settings. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen many features. Scroll up, tap on general, scroll up, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset setting, tap on reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode. You can see appears on screen reset all settings. This will delete all settings and your Apple Pay cards, keys and passes will be removed. No data or media will be deleted. Tap on reset all settings to confirm this action and problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact support.apple.com and fix your problem. How to fix notification sounds not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.